So friends, let's see this lovely green peas in a green masala paste. So here I've taken about 250 grams of green peas and I'm going to put them in a vessel without any water, and I'm going to put them in a pressure cooker which has about 2 cups of water. Close the pressure cooker and we are going to cook this for 4 whistles on high. And now turn off the flame and let the cooker come to room temperature. Now when you take out the green peas from the cooker, you will see that they're really cooked well. We don't want them to be very mushy. So this is the perfect consistency. Now we're going to make a coarse paste. I'm using 1 inch of ginger, 3 light green chillies and half a cup of coriander leaves. I'm going to add them to my mixer jar, and I'm also going to be adding half a cup of freshly grated coconut. So grind this without adding any water to make this a coarse paste like this. So now in a vessel, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot on a low to medium flame, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, mohri or rye. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, we're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga, followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi or halad. Now mix all of this together really well on a low to medium flame. And now we're going to add this coarsely ground green paste that we've prepared. And now we're going to fry the paste along with the other ingredients in the bagar or the fodni really well till you get the aroma of this green paste. So keep your flame on low so that the paste doesn't get burnt, and continuously mix it. Now we're going to add the cooked peas and mix everything really well together. So this is a very kind of a dry, semi-dry dish. So you can carry it in your tiffin, you can have it with chapatis or puris or even with some rice. And now I'm just going to add about half a cup of hot water. Don't add cold water or room temperature water because it stops the cooking process. So please add half a cup of hot water. Mix everything well together. And now we're just going to season it and add some lovely, powder masalas. So first I'm going to go with salt to taste. Approximately 3/4 of a teaspoon. Mix everything well. Now if you want it to be a gravy consistency, you add more water. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of goda masala or kala masala, and half a teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of jaggery or gur. Now I leave a link of how I make my goda masala and garam masala at home, so you all can check out those recipes as well. And all the ingredients with their measurements will be in the description box as well as the comment section below. Now we're going to cover and cook this on a low flame for 5 to 7 minutes, and then you're just going to add some grated coconut, and when you're serving it, add some lovely lemon juice as well.
And if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.